Did you ever use that yourself?
Not only when I was I learned letters, because when I started playing, I never find some notes or some traditions, so I have to learn letters for recognize who wrote something or something like that. So this I know, but I never spoke about in Yiddish. But my father, of course, and my mother a little bit. But Yiddish for me, it's a language which was I took main lesson from a Yiddish language for how to play Jewish music, because the sound of Yiddish is generally this music coming from a synagogue where you play like very open, form. It's not like you have a bars or something like that. It's the word. It's very important, and you have to sing this like it's the same like a Muslim tradition, that you have ornaments and everything. And after in a Yiddish tradition, because this was Hebrew, in Yiddish tradition the people took strictly from a synagogue this tradition. So Yiddish, it's a part of this music. It's not you never understand this music without some knowledge about Yiddish.